How to log in Grok AI account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and simply search for Grok AI application just to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the application. Now here you can see I've already installed it and we do not have any updates available as well. Simply tap on open over here and it will land us to the main page of Grok AI application on our device. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection, and here you can see we can continue or log in with Google, email, or continue with X. So I'm going to tap on continue with Google and simply select a particular account that I would want to associate over here on Grok AI. So you need to make sure that you have correct login credentials as well. So simply wait for a few more seconds until it loads us to sign in our account over here. So let's wait until it pops up the email ID and the login credentials that we would want to associate over here. So I'm going to select on one, and as we do that, we'll be signing in. So let's wait for a few more seconds. And as we do that, we'll be able to log into Grok AI just like this. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.